Cancun is the perfect place to relax and have a great beach holiday, but it can also be very expensive.
And that's why in this video we're going to show you 5 tips for how to travel Cancun on a budget. And that being said, bienvenido a Cancun! In Cancun you will find 2 main areas. You have the Zona Hotelera, the hotel zone, which is where all the all-inclusive resorts are located. And on the other hand, you have the downtown Cancun, which is a lot cheaper and where most of the locals live, and the less touristy side of Cancun. So our first tip is, as much as possible, avoid the Zona Hotelera because it is super expensive. We booked a very cheap hostel, the Mezcal hostel, in downtown Cancun. For around 10 to 15 euros per night you get a bed in a dorm room. You get breakfast and dinner included, as well as a shot of tequila and some drinking games. So there's booze as well. It's a really nice hostel, it has a pool, there's a lot of stuff you can do and a lot of great ways to meet new people. So we definitely highly recommend looking for a hostel like that instead of going to an all-inclusive resort, because then you will need a lot of pesos.
Our second budget tip for Cancun is to eat local. There are some really great local eateries spread across the downtown area here of Cancun, where you can get some real local good food. This is one of the examples very close to our hostel, which is just around the corner, and we're going to have some tacos. So we just ordered some tacos and a quesadilla, and it looks really good. We have one taco with chicharron and one taco with eggs and chorizo, and these are just less than €1 each. Buen provecho! This is so good. This is really rich flavor, good spice to it, but not too much. Really good. Another secret tip for cheap food, even in the Zona Hotelera, yes, there's cheap food in the Zona Hotelera, is to go to the OXXO, where they have tacos at 70 cents each, which is just dirt cheap. 2 extra beers, 3 tacos, cost us less than €5. I think it was around 4.5 euros, so very good deals to be had here.
Number 3, come to the beach. Get a few beers, take the bus to the hotel zone, and you can enjoy one of the many public beaches that Cancun has to offer. Right now we're at Playa Chacmul, which is a very nice beach, the favorite one that we've been to so far. And we got some beers at the OXXO supermarket, just chilled here on the beach for a while. It's a very quiet beach, there aren't that many people here, and there are a lot of locals as well. You can walk along the beach and just chill out, and it's a cheap afternoon out if you want to avoid doing expensive tours.
Cheers!
Salud!
Tip number 4 for traveling on a budget in Cancun is to organize your own tours. There's lots of cool tours you can take here. You can visit the beautiful island of Isla Mujeres, you can visit the cenotes around Tulum, and you can visit the famous Mayan site of Chichen Itza, which is one of the 7 wonders in the world. How cool is that? But if you take an organized tour, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Like for example, visiting the Chichen Itza ruins costs you around $65, while you can organize yourself for a much cheaper price. You can take the bus from downtown Cancun right all the way down to Chichen Itza for $8, and you can pay the entrance fee of $12 to $13 and return with the same bus back. So for less than $30 you can organize your own tour instead of paying $65 for an organized tour. Cancun is the party capital of Mexico, and they have awesome nightlife here. But it can be very expensive, so with our next tip, you can save a lot of money.
Lots of money that you can spend on other stuff like tacos. Not judging, just saying tacos.
Going out to clubs and paying entrance fees and drinks can rack up quite a bit of your bill. But they have some awesome deals here of all-inclusive parties where you just pay one fee that includes the entrance and all you can drink. So it's an open bar. And I definitely got my money's worth last night. The one we went to, which is Congo Club, only cost us $30 each just to pay the entrance and all you can drink. Some clubs are a bit more expensive, like $50 or $60 or $65. If you choose the budget option of $30, you can still have a great night out and save some money.
if you follow these tips, you'll be able to save a lot of money on your next holiday in Cancun. For example, today we only spent 50 euros for the both of us, and that included a trip to the beach, lots of good food, some beers. We had a really nice day out, and we didn't break the bank.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow our adventures, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be traveling from Mexico all the way down to Brazil in 6 months. So lots more videos to come. Bye!
Bye! Adios!